Ryan Hannigan here with SEA-LECT Designs, your hardware and repair solutions. Today we're going to install a SEA-LECT Designs 4-inch deck plate, which also comes available with a deck plate bag. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to take the deck plate and place it right here. What we can do is we can actually use the lid as a pattern for the hole we're going to cut. So today we're just going to kind of eyeball this. If you're a little concerned, you might want to take a tape measure and measure it into place. But with this one right here, we've got just the perfect space right here. Alright. Be sure and select a drill bit large enough to allow your saw blade to fit comfortably. Alright, next we're going to just double check and make sure she fits. Yeah, there we go. So now we mark our holes, making sure we're squared up on the top and bottom. I tend to prefer to have my holes here not at the bottom. Alright, now we change to a 3/16 drill bit for our number 8 screws. Alright, so now that we've got the hole cut and the mounting holes drilled, we're just going to make sure that everything fits. So we'll do a dry fit here, make sure all these go in. Alright, we're getting lucky here. And good. So all our holes are good, we don't have to adjust anything. Next thing we'll want to do is we'll attach some sealant. You want to use some sort of a high quality silicone or marine type of sealant. If you look back at the deck plate, we've got these lines in here to help hold the material in place. You don't need to use too much, just enough to kind of give you a good seal. Go in. And lastly, we'll be putting our lock nut and washer on the back side. Take your time, be patient. Alright, so we've got all the screws installed, and so now we're going to use a ratchet and screwdriver to finish installing them. I like to go in a kind of a star pattern to make sure you tighten this down evenly. And last one. The SEA-LECT Designs deck plate gives you a nice waterproof seal. Got a nice seal in there, and it has a lip on the inside that allows us to use the deck plate bag